This is only the first dataset in the James Webb Space Telescope's long research journey. The photo that went viral across social media platforms in recent days is merely the opening act for a series of exceptional works soon to be released by this astrophotographer. Launched into space on December 25, 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope took several months to complete its journey to its final observation point. With its successful deployment, it is expected to open new horizons of knowledge for humanity, as it has the capability to observe infrared radiation emitted by celestial objects at extreme distances across the universe. With the new series of images released by NASA, we can clearly see the immense capability and potential of the James Webb Space Telescope. The above image is titled Webb's First Deep Field, capturing the galaxy cluster SMACSO 723. The picture contains thousands of galaxies, including the faintest astronomical objects ever observed. This is the deepest infrared observation image of galaxy cluster SMACSO 723 ever captured, showing us what it looked like 4.6 billion years ago. Although the Hubble Space Telescope has captured similar views, the process required many consecutive days of observation. But with the telescope, scientists needed only 12.5 hours to obtain results beyond their wildest expectations. Using highly sensitive space telescopes, scientists can observe extremely distant galaxies, ancient celestial objects nearly as old as the universe itself, emitting faint glimmers of light, even concealing the traces of water vapor in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. The latest data released by NASA includes information collected by the Webb telescope during its calibration phase. On the morning of July 13, Vietnam time, NASA once again released a new series of images, offering unprecedented views of the universe with astonishing detail. First is the cosmic cliff. The photo captures a scene of mountains and valleys adorned with countless shimmering stars. In reality, this is an image of a star-forming region called NGC 3324, located within the Carina Nebula. The image captures both young stars and stars in the process of formation, while also marking the first time we have photographed the region of space where stars are born. The highest peak of the cosmic cliff has an altitude of approximately 7 light-years, equivalent to 66.230 trillion kilometers. The next photo captures the southern pinwheel galaxy group, taken by Stefan. It's a Wonderful Life. The newly released image by NASA is the largest work the Webb telescope has produced to date, comprising 150 million pixels and assembled from nearly 1,000 image files. It will provide new perspectives on how galaxies interact, while also revealing the maturation process of a galaxy in the dawn of the universe. Next is the final stage of a star's life. The star at the center of this impressive image has been, and still is, ejecting gas and dust in all directions for thousands of years. For the first time in history, humans possess a device capable of reconstructing in detail the scene of a cosmic dust cloud surrounding a dead star. Analyzing the composition of gas and dust clouds will help us better understand luminous celestial bodies in the universe, including the Sun. As the saying goes, in the face of death, no one dares to lie anymore. A star that is sincere from birth will surely tell stories rich with meaning. And moreover, valuable data doesn't just exist in the form of images. Exoplanets, celestial bodies orbiting stars other than the Sun, are currently one of the primary research targets for both NASA specifically and the field of astronomy as a whole. Giant gas planets contain materials familiar to scientists, while rocky planets could be potential habitats for life. The VKAPASP 9-6b object is currently the highest priority monitoring target on the telescope. In the data collected, scientists discovered that this gas exoplanet contains water, along with signs of clouds. The VKAPASP 9-6b is orbiting a Sun-like star in a manner similar to how Saturn orbits the Sun in our solar system. However, the only similarity between VKAPASP 9-6b and our two familiar planets is that they both orbit a central star. It is one of 5,000 exoplanets confirmed to exist in the Milky Way galaxy. Located 1,155 light-years away, VKAPASP 9-6b is a gas giant completely unlike any other planet of its kind we have ever known. With a mass only half that of the target star, but a diameter 1.2 times larger, VKAPASP 9-6b has a significantly lower material density. NASA has detected traces of water vapor in the atmosphere of planet Cap ASP 9 to 6b and has successfully determined the concentrations of oxygen, carbon, and the atmospheric temperature there. This planet orbits its central star very closely, resulting in a surface temperature exceeding 500 degrees Celsius. Based on this information, NASA can determine the structure of the gas giant planet, as well as figure out how, when, and where it formed in the universe. And now, we can once again affirm that the first images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope truly mark the beginning of a new era in astronomy. And this is only the first published research result. All this data was collected while the James Webb Space Telescope was operating at maximum capacity. Simultaneously, this announcement also signifies that the instrument is ready to enter a new research phase, exploring the universe through an infrared lens. In the near future, NASA and related astronomical organizations will continue to hold meetings and analyze data from the James Webb Space Telescope to announce the most anticipated achievements. This is the result published from the research and may be useful for your loved ones. This is a result published from the research and could be beneficial for your loved ones. This is the result published from the research, and it can be beneficial for our loved ones. This is a conclusion drawn from research, and it can be beneficial for our loved ones. This is a result published from the research and could be beneficial for your loved ones.